Are you an engineer, scientist, or researcher struggling with messy Excel sheets, scattered scripts, or tools that don't talk to each other? You see AI creating images and now also working with equations. But when it comes to real engineering equations and models, it feels off to completely trust a black box. engicloud.ai is built for you. It's a cloud platform that combines verified scientific knowledge with the power of AI. Without losing transparency or control, you turn equations and expertise into executable digital models. You build workflows, connect models, test design changes, and collaborate with your team, all in one structured environment. You work faster because your models are structured and reusable. You stay organized because everything lives in one consistent system. And you keep full control because every equation remains transparent, traceable, and based on real engineering logic. Build engineering models you can trust without the manual overhead. Build, share, document, and reuse with engicloud.ai.